This is the pencil spike. It's about 60 grams, about 7 inches. It's octagonal 8mm stock. When we're throwing this one, I find this modern grip doesn't work that well for me because it's a little uneven. What I like to do is take these two fingers, put them together, and we create a little bit of a trough and we palm it. So there's a pressure with the thumb to stabilize it off this finger, and as we go through and throw it, we'll kind of let it just ride that way out. So here's kind of what it looks like at speed. I find this sticks really well. It's very stable in flight, and it's one of my favorites to pick up and throw. And as you can see, it sticks very well in wood. Just like the others, we can throw it with mainly arm, but we can also go through and put a little bit of wave into it. Myself, I'm kind of a wave-oriented thrower, so that's what I prefer. And as you can hear, it's hit with a great deal of authority. It's going that far into dry wood. Like I said, this one won't disappoint. The texture of the octagonal stock, the 8-sided stock, is well worth it. You're going to love this one.